how to change music length on Facebook story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change the music length on Facebook story, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change the music length on your Facebook story, all you have to do is go ahead and then open up the Facebook application here. And then let's say that if you're trying to add a certain story over here, and then you also want to basically add a music to this, right? So first of all, you tap on it, you tap the add music option, and then you happen to select a certain music. But now let's say you want to change the duration of this music. Now first of all, the duration of your music depends upon how long your video that you're uploading to story is, because in the case of video you can't customize it because it will play as long as that video is playing. But let's say that you are choosing a photo instead of a video here. When you choose a photo and then you tap on music and then you select a certain music here, in that case you can actually change the duration of the music over here depending upon when and how much you would like to play the length of that music for. And then after you have done that, just tap the done option from the top right to save the changes. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically change music length on Facebook story. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.